Hello, welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner. And we're going to be changing out these rear bumper end caps on mine. Mine are destroyed. I'm going to change it out to black. Let's get started. Alright, so right here on the rear bumper end caps, you'll notice that mine is scraped up right there. It's kind of dinged up. So what I'm going to replace it with, it's going to be this one right here. Just it's going to be black. So instead of the chrome, it will be black, like that. I'm going to be doing it on both sides. Alright, I already went ahead and did the right side right there. That was the damaged side. This right here is going to be the black, and this is compared to the chrome. So you let me know which one you like better if I'm going to show. Alright, so it's pretty sunny right now, so the filming might not be too good, but you'll notice right here, this is going to be the blacked out side. The left side is going to be the chrome side. I went ahead and already did that side so I can see how to do it, and then I'll show you how to do mine here in just a moment. Zooming out, so on the right hand side, this is the black, that's the chrome. I like the black, but you let me know what you like, but here we go. So as far as the tools you'll need, these are the only two tools I have. This is like a door panel removal tool right here. This is just a extra fine sharp blade, or excuse me, flat blade screwdriver. Let's go over here under the car. Alright, now going here into the corner. Hopefully you can see it. You might not be able to though. There it is. It should be in the frame. I'm going to point to it with the blade. This right here, you got to take that off and take this one off as well. There should be two of them. To do that, you just get a little screwdriver on here and just wedge it out slowly. Alright. See, I popped mine out right there. I'm going to take all the way out here in just a moment. Whoop, it's on the floor. Definitely got lucky with that one. Go ahead and get. Alright, so that's the first two. Alright, so those are going to be for the two that were right over here. Now we're going to get right under the car, the bed right back here. And I'm going to reposition the camera so you can see it better. Alright. Try to be careful with it so you can reuse the clips. Alright. There's one. Whoops. Oh no! That's okay, I do have extra ones. So do try to be careful so you can reuse your clips. I'm going to skip this one for now just for filming purposes. That's what happens when you try to go too fast. Be the last one for now. Alright. Let me figure out how to get that one up. Alright, actually I already just broke it off because again I do have a replacement. Now I'm going to zoom into these tabs right up here. You just get your flat blade. Let me zoom in. Whoops. Can you see that? Yeah, well let me tilt it back, but essentially you're going to get your flat blade screwdriver, push this tab in, push this tab right here in as well. Feel it loosen up, and what that does, let me go back up to the top. What that does is loosen this up. See how it's kind of moving? That's what that's doing, those two tabs that I just pressed. There's 1, 2, and there's a small one down here in the corner. All right, I'm back under. The last one that's in the corner is, where is it? Might be hard to see. Right. It's gonna be right there. That's kind of a hard angle. I'm gonna attempt to film this part. You might not be able to see it because the camera might get all funky. See right there? Push that tab in as well. And that essentially is the exact same thing like this right here. You just push it in so that you can get it moving. Alright, now that I got this off pretty loose, can't tell right now in the camera, but here's my new one. You'll notice that these little tabs at the top, this right here, whoops, these right here, it's on the chrome one as well, so it's right up here and then right up here. We're gonna have to go on the inside right here, get a flat blade screwdriver and push the tab up so that this comes off. Alright, so that tab I was describing is right there. Push it up. And the second tab is in this little corner right up here. Whoops. Right there. Push it up. So once you push it up, the tab, this thing right here, should come right out with a little bit of persuasion. Alright, so if you're going to be throwing with your end caps anyways, with a little bit of persuasion, I just take a flat blade screwdriver and I just wedge it in here. See that? See how it's moving? It's still stuck on there. It's alright, we just got to keep playing with it. And it will come off. Alright, so when you keep maneuvering, eventually it'll just kind of come off like that. Those are those two tabs I was referencing. Now you can take your new one, reinstall it, and do everything else, but in reverse. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, see you on the next one. Alright, so here is the finished product. It turned out very, very good, at least in my opinion. Super easy DIY. Takes maybe 30 minutes or so. I can probably do it less than that if I'm not filming, but that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe.